Hello guys, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you short Jericho style lace front wig. How pretty it is. It looks like natural hair. This is made of 100% human hair, which is virgin Remy Brazilian hair. It comes 3 colors: natural color and darkest black and natural black. This color is natural black. And at the front side, it has a little looser curl than the back side. Okay, take a look at it in details. Okay, as you can see, the lace is very thin and soft. And it has 4 inches wide lace front. So you can part any way you want. And both ear tabs, their silk base layer is coated on both ear tabs. And there are non-slip grips all the way through ear to ear hairline. And 2 combs at the front side. And 1 comb at the nape side, an adjustable band right here, and it has open breathable cap. It's very stretchable. And I love this point. This brand has a lot of this embroidered piece, all wigs. The brand name is embroidered like this centerpiece. So I like this point because it's very unique. Okay. I think it's perfect for everyday wear. It matches easily your daily wear as well. Okay, it's time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.